Literally got home today and caught my boyfriend cheating in my own bed. Girl, you literally don't even understand. If this would have happened a few weeks ago, I probably would have offed him. Like, I would have freaked out. Like, you do not understand. Like, I would have gone crazy. I was so shook in the moment. I was literally so calm. Like, I didn't even scream or anything. I had the girl leave, obviously. Then I just nicely packed up his stuff, put it in a little duffel bag, and sent him on his way. Now that I'm sitting here in the aftermath, I was like, how the hell was I so calm? Bitch, these right here, Goli ashwagandha gummies. Oh my god. The way I freaking bought these thinking they weren't gonna do shit for me, I literally was not phased at all. Because I know, like, just a few weeks ago, my blood would have been boiling. Girl, I am literally telling you, if you freak out over the little thing and you don't have like a high stress tolerance, I am telling you, you better try this shit. And I literally saw this exact bottle at the store the other day. Over $26 for one bottle, and there was only like one left. TikTok shop is literally running a sale right now where you get, I think it's 3 full bottles for like 30 bucks. You're getting 3 for the price of 1. So if you guys want to try them, I'll have a link down below in the orange card. I'm telling you, grab it now before they go back to full price.